Hey friends, we're here at a waterfall near Ella, and I'm gonna do a quick drawing. I have some other friends here waiting for me, so I'll try to not shoot too long of a video, but I thought this was really beautiful and that we could do a little drawing here. And yeah, let me get some bug spray on because the last couple of drawings I've done, I've gotten eaten alive. Wow. And yeah, feel free to draw along and enjoy. If you want to do work, if you want to do homework, whatever it is that you're doing, feel free to continue. And if you do draw along with me, send some of the drawings my way. This is the final drawing in this sketchbook. I've filled it all up, which I'm very excited about. It's been a while since I finished a sketchbook, you know, in 2 months. Yeah, a momentous moment for me, I guess. I think that this is a very beautiful spot. I wasn't certain whether it was going to be that good of a waterfall because it seemed a little touristy, so we were hesitant to come here. But then we stopped halfway and we almost didn't come all the way down, and we stuck with it. And it's just so beautiful. I feel very lucky that we stuck with our plans. You know, sometimes in life, you're debating what to do next, and you're like, is it really going to be worth it? And choosing the more adventurous option in a day like that often turns out to be worth it. So next time someone asks you if you want to keep hiking or give up the hike, maybe stick with it. Might end up somewhere beautiful. Anyway, that's enough talking for me. I'm going to start the drawing from the top left, and I'm going to work down to the bottom right. But you can draw however you want. One of the reasons to draw like that is that you're less likely to smudge your drawing if you're right-handed. Now, if you're left-handed, you might want to start in the top right and work your way to the bottom left if you're working in ink. But that is not a must. It's just a recommendation. Because there's no right way to draw. There's no good drawing. There's no bad drawing. There's just drawing. Get out there and do it. Don't think this is going to be my best drawing, but I don't want to keep them waiting too long. Now, hopefully these ants that I see around me don't decide to shoot acid on me. some of them can spit this really vicious acid. I've been burned by it before. Look at, there's a giant swirl in the rock. Oh, so beautiful. I feel like so many videos of me just being like, oh, it's so beautiful, but really, life can be. Ants crawling all over me. I met these two lovely people from Scotland who accompanied me on this hike with my other friend, and wow, that's part of the great part of travel, is just meeting lovely strangers who are also out there seeing the world. One of them, Simon, is a musician. Maybe I can, if I remember, link to his music. And I don't know if I would have been able to come here if they hadn't offered me a ride. And definitely wouldn't have had the lunch where I had the lunch. And it's all been just a lovely day. And I guess all this chipper chopper is here to tell you to, say yes to more things. Go out on that walk. Go see that show. Enjoy that music. Whatever it is that the world has invited you out to your house to go do. Go do it. The world's a beautiful place, and people are kinder than you think. But the only way to find that out is through really going out and exploring it. I'm not going to attempt to say the name of this waterfall, but I will, as per usual, leave a Google location for it, so that if you're feeling so adventurous, you can come here yourself. It is a hike though down here, and I am not excited for hiking out of here. It's going to be a real steep climb. I'm going to get real sweaty. Not my best drawing, but I'm very glad I took the time to just get this down and finish my notebook. And happy that I did it. Well, I don't want to keep my friends waiting too long, but you're welcome to keep drawing and to loop this video. You can mute me, put on some ambient of water, or you can put on some music that you want to listen to. I'll show you the little doodle that I did, and I'm sure you can do something better than I did, or whatever it is that you do will be good. Remember, there's no good drawing, there's no bad drawing, there's just getting out here and doing it. I'm going to show you this. Whew. Let me show you this. I'll take another shot, maybe I'll overlay it. Anyway. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you are enjoying it. And, you know, as I said, loop it, continue, whatever. Like, subscribe, all those things. Bye-bye, friends, and until next time.